What is prompt engineering? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see what prompt engineering is. So when we break this term down, prompt means that something is being put down or input in the program. So when something is put in a program, which is being called as prompt, and we all are aware of the term engineering. So when we combine it together, it basically means that there is a training process behind AI language models. So in prompt engineering, AI models are being trained so they can give the response in a proper way, and the prompt engineers are the ones who can get the desired results from the AI. Suppose I ask something from ChatGPT, then I desire some response from ChatGPT, and prompt engineers basically help this ChatGPT to give the proper response for the queries that are being asked. And it is not just about ChatGPT, but it's about all the AI models out there, be it for the generative AIs like DALL-E or Blue Willow or any other for that matter. And it also includes the newer AIs which are creating the videos using the AI. So it's about the input that you put and ask the AI and basically talk to AI. The easier and the straightforward answers that you get from AI, the prompt engineers are responsible for this in order to train AI to give the better responses. So I hope now you understand what prompt engineering is, and you can utilize this prompt engineering for various platforms like Perplexity, ChatGPT, DALL-E. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.